So you've created a playground and you are ready to get started designing it. I'm glad you came here because creating complex designs isn't easy, and I want to show you how to fully utilize Quiltler 2's capabilities so that you can design anything you can imagine. First off, let's get to know the interface. The grid view is where the actual designs take place. The two blocks here represent selecting individual blocks for design. Here I'm selecting multiple blocks and you can see the blocks highlight when I select them. The palette represents the design center. You can select from default patterns or you can use the media center to add your own images. I've got a few paper sample patterns here that I'm going to take a picture of to use as blocks in my playground. Now that we have those patterns added, we can select one to use in the blocks we selected in the previous step using the individual block selector. If you now grab the preview bar and drag it down, you can see that it adds some transparency to the design center so that you can see the effect of your design. The design isn't saved until you hit the Done button. Let's go ahead and hit Done. Looks like we made a mistake in the bottom right corner. Let's go ahead and tap the eraser in the Tools section and get rid of the blocks we messed up on. We can then select the multi-box selector again and correct the mistake. Just for fun, let's rotate these ones. We are going to go ahead and select the correct blocks to continue our checkered pattern. Then we tap the palette to go to the Design Center. We select the block pattern we have been using and then select the icon that looks like a block moving onto its side. This brings up the rotation bar. We can now see that the block is being rotated in the preview. Let's rotate it 180 degrees and then hit Done. Now let's do a quick preview before saving and see the result. You'll notice that the blocks that are being edited are still highlighted, but rotating them didn't make too much of a difference, and we can just hit Done and save that change. Now, we can hide the grid and see the full result of our pattern. Go ahead and tap the eye to hide the grid. This has been a more in-depth tutorial on using the Design Center in Playgrounds. Thanks for watching.